My name's Sandra Greenslade. I'm standing for the Tūrangi-Tongariro board. My top priority is to make sure that the southern settlements and the community in the southern districts get their fair share, whether that's in investment or whether it's in infrastructure, whether it's looking after our local businesses, our community groups, just making sure that the voice at the table is strong in support of our community. And my second priority is to make sure about building bridges between council and community, between our businesses, between our community groups, between our ratepayers associations, between everybody who's in the southern area. Building bridges in communities is what it's all about. I believe I'm right for the role because I bring experience and independence. I believe working with the community and making sure that people have their voice heard at the table. I represent approximately 25% of the ratepayers of the Taupo district, and I need to work twice as hard to get that voice at the table. I'm resilient and I'm able to do it. The biggest issue facing our district at present is affordability and fairness. Taupo is an area of growth, which means more infrastructure, it means more pressure on housing, it means more pressure on our services. We also have to make sure that no part of our district is left behind, and my ward in particular is an area that can't be left behind in this growth.